So I drove over to Titusville to try and practice a little bit of photography of the space launch tonight, which is the Falcon 9 Block 5 Starlink Group 6-41 that launched today at 6:56 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday, March 4th, 2024. The first part of this video was filmed using an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Starting out on the wide angle screen, it was dark and cloudy with 700 broken, almost overcast at the time of the launch, so the initial part of the launch wasn't even visible. I filmed this from the parking lot of the Shiloh Steakhouse, which is 8 or 10 miles from the launch pad. Launching from Launch Complex 41 today, with plans to land the booster on a shortfall of gravitas offshore where it would not be visible. The video quality is not too bad considering this is being shot from a telephone with a wide angle lens. The other challenge is maintaining focus of such a small object when you really can't adjust focus very well on the phone. It has to be left in automatic mode, and when it's dark it's difficult for it to find the autofocus target, but it did a reasonable job. The second video view was from a Canon, let's see which camera I used, a Canon EOS Rebel T5, an older camera, handheld, and that video starts right about now. And this was using a zoom lens, for the most part kept at 75mm focal length. Again, because of the focus problem, I had it on manual focus set to infinity, focusing on a distant building before the launch when there was enough light to actually see something. It was still kind of difficult to get very crisp images because these older Canons, of course, don't have all the HDR and fancy software processing that you have in an iPhone. I was going to try to do a time exposure, but that was a bust. I really haven't even done any time exposures before with my Canon 90D camera, so I need to practice that a bit more, and again would be easier if the launch pad was not totally obscured by fog. Most of the time you can actually see the rocket on the launch pad from where I was shooting from today, but today you couldn't really see it until the vehicle was probably at least 500 feet in the air. But anyway, thought I would share what I had, and we'll do better next time. See you later.